Hello, dear friend. Welcome back to English Talks with Avie. Relax, listen, and improve your English.
Hello, I am Emma.
And I am Daniel.
I made tea today instead of coffee.
Oh, really? That is a big change.
Yes, I woke up and felt slow. Not sad, just slow.
I know that feeling, when your body wakes up but your mind still wants quiet time.
Exactly. I sat by the window for a few minutes before touching my phone.
That sounds nice.
It was. The street was calm, one person walking a dog, a bus passing slowly. Nothing special, but it felt peaceful.
I think many people miss moments like that. The day starts fast and suddenly we are already running.
Yes, running before we even know where we are going.
That happens to me too.
And while I was drinking tea, I had this small thought, like a quiet question.
What was it?
I wondered if I am moving too slowly in life.
Ah, yes. That question visits many people.
I think so too. Sometimes you look around and everyone seems busy, successful, moving forward.
And you sit there thinking, am I late?
Yes, that exact feeling.
Maybe that is what we are talking about today, not as a big topic, just something many hearts carry quietly.
That feeling of being behind.
Yeah, let's sit with that together.
I think the feeling starts when we compare our life to other people.
Yes, you open your phone and someone moved to a new city. Someone started a business. Someone got married.
Someone wakes up at 5 in the morning and runs 10 kilometers.
Yes, and I am still looking for my socks.
Same, every morning.
But jokes aside, comparison is strong. It comes quietly.
It really does. You do not plan to compare, it just happens.
And suddenly your normal day feels small.
Yes, even if your day is fine.
That is interesting, right? Nothing changed in your life, only what you saw changed.
Oh, that reminds me of last week. I met an old friend for lunch.
Oh yeah?
She told me about her new job, her travels, all these exciting things. I was happy for her, but later I went home feeling strange.
What kind of strange?
Like I should be doing more, like I missed something important.
I understand that.
And then I stopped and asked myself, wait, was I unhappy before lunch?
Good question.
I was not. I was actually having a good week.
So the feeling came from comparison.
Exactly.
I had a similar moment. A friend bought a house, a beautiful house.
Wow.
Yes, I visited him and everything looked perfect. Big kitchen, nice light, quiet street.
Sounds lovely.
It was. But when I went back to my small apartment, I suddenly felt behind.
Even if you liked your apartment before?
Yes, before that visit, I felt comfortable. After, I started thinking, maybe I should already have more.
That happened so fast.
Very fast. Our mind changes the story in seconds.
I think many people feel this but do not talk about it.
Yes, because everyone looks confident outside.
But inside, many people are asking the same question. Am I doing life wrong?
That question can be heavy. Sometimes we believe life has one correct timeline.
School, job, success, family, step by step.
Yes, like a straight road. But real life is not a straight road.
Not at all. Some people start late. Some people change direction. Some people stop and rest.
Actually, speaking of rest, I think people feel guilty when they slow down.
Oh, yes. Rest feels like failure sometimes.
Even when your body clearly needs it. I remember a weekend when I did almost nothing.
That sounds perfect.
It felt perfect until Sunday night. Then I thought, I wasted my time.
I know that feeling.
But then I noticed something. On Monday morning, I felt calm and clear.
So the rest helped you.
Yes, it was not wasted. It was needed.
That is important. Sometimes slow days are working days for the heart.
Working days for the heart. I like that.
Because we grow quietly too, not only when big things happen,
Growth can be very small.
like learning to say no,
Or waking up and feeling a little less worried.
or cooking for yourself instead of skipping meals.
Yes, small care for yourself.
These things do not look impressive online.
But they change a life slowly.
Wait, that reminds me of something funny.
Tell me.
I once made a list called Big Goals for the Year.
Oh no.
Yes, very serious list. New skills, big plans, everything.
And what happened?
By February, I lost the paper.
Honestly, that sounds peaceful.
It was. And later I realized I still improved that year, just not in the way I planned.
That happens often. Life changes us while we are busy planning.
True.
I think another reason people feel behind is because we only see results, not journeys.
Yes, we see the finish line, not the long walk.
Someone speaks good English and we forget how many years they practiced.
Someone looks confident, and we forget their shy past.
Exactly.
And when we forget that, we become unfair to ourselves.
Very unfair.
Sometimes I imagine life like different trains leaving a station.
Oh?
Some trains leave early, some leave late, some stop many times.
But they are all moving somewhere.
Yes, different speed, different direction.
I like that image.
Me too. It makes me breathe easier.
You know, I once talked to an older man at a park.
Really?
Yes, he told me he'd changed careers at 45.
Wow.
He said his life started again many times.
That must have been comforting to hear.
It was, because he looked peaceful, not rushed, not worried about being late.
Maybe experience teaches people that there is no single deadline.
Yes, life is long, longer than we think when we are young.
And maybe being behind is sometimes just being human.
I agree.
Another thing I notice, people are very hard on themselves.
Oh, yes.
They say things like, I should be better, or I should already know this.
That word should creates pressure.
So much pressure.
What if we changed it to, I am learning?
That feels lighter.
Because learning takes time.
And mistakes are part of learning.
Definitely.
I made a mistake at work recently.
Oh, really?
Yes, small mistake, but I felt embarrassed all day.
I understand that.
Then my coworker said, everyone learns like this.
Simple words, but helpful.
Very helpful. I stopped feeling like I failed at life because of one moment.
Sometimes we need someone to remind us we are still growing.
Yes, growing is not always exciting.
Often it looks normal. Quiet days, repeating tasks.
Washing dishes again and again.
Exactly. Life is many dishes.
That might be the title of another episode.
Maybe.
I also think people forget to look back.
What do you mean?
We look forward all the time. Next goal, next step, next year.
But we rarely stop and see how far we came.
Yes, even small progress counts.
Like being calmer than last year.
Or understanding yourself better.
Or choosing healthier friendships.
These are big changes, even if they are quiet.
And they take courage.
Courage means being brave.
Yes, being brave, even when things feel unsure.
I think many listeners are doing brave things right now without noticing.
Getting through a hard day is brave.
Starting again is brave.
Asking for help is brave.
Even listening to something calm instead of noise can be brave.
That is true.
Sometimes peace feels new when you're used to stress.
Yes, quiet can feel strange at first,
but slowly it becomes comfortable.
like learning to breathe deeper.
Yes, and conversations need pauses too.
Life also needs pauses.
I think if someone listening right now feels behind, maybe they just need more time,
More time, not more pressure.
more patience with themselves.
Yes,
Because every person has a different story.
and different timing.
Maybe you are not late.
Maybe you were arriving exactly when you were ready.
That thought helps me a lot.
Me too.
And honestly, some of the best parts of life happen when we stop rushing.
Like unexpected friendships,
Or simple evenings at home.
or laughing at small things. Those moments do not look big, but they stay in memory
Yes, they stay longer than big achievements sometimes.
because they feel real.
Real and warm.
And maybe that is enough for today.
I feel calmer after this conversation.
Me too. Talking slowly helps me think more kindly about life.
If you are listening right now, maybe take one deep breath with us.
No rush. Just breathe.
Maybe today does not need to be perfect.
Maybe today only needs one small good moment.
A walk, a meal, a message to a friend.
Or simply resting without guilt.
And if you sometimes feel behind, remember many people feel the same way.
You're walking your own path.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, have you ever felt behind in life?
We would really like to hear your story.
And if this conversation gave you a calm moment today, please like, share, and leave a comment. It helps more people find this quiet space.
Maybe someone else needs this slow conversation too.
This is Emma.
And this is Daniel.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more English Talks with Avie. You can explore more videos here. Thanks.